And just execution risk. I mean, these are high-risk ventures. You know, they're likely to probably have a higher failure rate than not.
Yes. I think this is a bit of a voyage of discovery in many ways, but if you can put this into context, the data that you showed earlier on in the day, which is bench data about cost and time overruns, right? That shows us that that we're not getting any better, and even if we're half as good as, even if we've improved, you know, halfway, we're still atrociously bad at bringing our projects in on time, or on cost, or whatever, and you know, like anybody who's been involved in any sort of delivery for any length of time will know that it's very, very regular that we go over time and cost, and there's always reasons for that. And we do the lessons learnt thing, and then we go on to the next project, but we don't learn any lessons from the previous project because all the people who learnt the lessons go and work for somebody else. And to be perfectly honest, if you sat down and read the lessons learnt file before you started a project, you'd never actually start because they're very big. So we're not really getting any better. So the systems that we have used, you know, and we know lots of them. We've got lots of project management methodologies. We've got Prince 2, we've got Waterfall, we've got Lean, we've got P6 systems, we've got, you know, all the ERP systems are trying to develop project management modules inside themselves. These systems are not solving the problem. They might be incrementally improving things, but they're not actually solving the problem. And so what I think that we've got with AI and blockchain and even with virtual reality, is we have an opportunity to explore how we can do something completely different from the way that we've done it in the past. And because what we've done in the past hasn't worked. So I think there is a real issue around, well, we can do things different, but, you know, the way large projects are organised contractually, the question is, do we want to? You know, are we willing to do that? And that has to come from the clients. Originally, they have to come, you know, golden rule. Who has the gold makes the rules. So there has to be some risk taken on that.
Yeah. Henry?
We're preparing a very big tender right now. And even though we would like to, you know, integrate AI and everything in this tender and for requirements in the dialogue with the contractors, consulting a different kind of experts in how to actually be able to make these kind of requirements and still make sure that we get the right bidders is a big task. So for us, we're looking for experts to help us in that way, because we want to do that. We want to actually do these kind of incentives that pushes the industry. So today they are fighting for a profit margin of 2 to 5% or something like that. Very few industries are satisfied with 2%. So how can we actually help them by actually introduce new requirements and also be sure that they will actually bid if we want those new requirements. Maybe that could be an assignment for the Oxford team to help us with that.
Very good. I can see MSc in Major Innovation Management spawning out of this.